snow in Dubai. This is impossible.
Welcome to Dubai, the city of the future.
Wow. Dubai airport is so beautiful. No driver. The train drives itself. So modern. This hotel is so beautiful. Thank you.
This view is incredible. Tomorrow I explore.
I can see it. The golden frame is so tall. So big. It looks like a golden picture frame. Old Dubai was so small. Just a fishing village. A fishing village. We go up so fast. The city gets smaller. I can see through the floor. My legs shake. This side shows old Dubai. History is beautiful. And this side is the future. Incredible.
I buy this small frame to remember today.
This building is so beautiful, like a dream. These words are cut into the building. So beautiful.
We are in space. The future is coming soon. The rhino walks through my hand. So magical. Future doctors use robots. Medicine is changing fast.
I sit on real grass in the desert. Beautiful. So much gold everywhere. This market is amazing.
Welcome, madam.
The spices smell incredible. This is saffron. 1 dirham for the boat. Old and simple. Lovely. This island is so modern and beautiful. Wow. The wheel is so huge. I feel so small here.
Welcome. Right this way.
Okay, I am brave. I can do this. Let's go. Higher and higher. The view is amazing now. I am at the top. Fear is gone. Only beauty. I did it. Best experience. I love Ain Dubai. Marina is so beautiful at night. So peaceful. The mall is so huge. And Burj Khalifa right there. This mall has a map. So big. Where's the fish? Where is the fish? Fish in the middle of the shopping mall. Wow. I walk under the water now. So exciting. Shark above me. So close. Incredible. The ray is so graceful and beautiful. So big. Clownfish. Nemo. I see dory fish too. I see dory fish too. Hello. Ice skating in a mall in Dubai. This is crazy! The fountain is so beautiful! I want to cry! So scary! So fun! More, please! The camel is so tall. It sways like a ship.
This food is so good.
What is this spice? She makes flowers on my hand. So beautiful.
نعم، أتمنى أن تعجبك كثيراً.
So many stars in the desert. I feel so small.
Level 124. The top of the world. I am ready.
My ears. So fast. We are at the top. The most beautiful view of my life. Thank you, Dubai.
I feel the wind so high. Dubai so far below.
Perfect selfie. Family will not believe this.
Allow me to recommend the chef's special tonight.
Dinner above the clouds. Food is delicious. Warm Gulf water on my feet. This is perfect. I can see the ski slope from outside. So strange. These boots are so heavy, hard to walk in. So cold, my breath. Snow in Dubai Mall.
Pizza. I make pizza shape with skis.
I can ski. I did it alone. I can ski. Yes. Penguins in Dubai. Hello, little penguin friend. Hot chocolate in the snow. Perfect combination. From snow to heat in 1 second. Only Dubai. I ride on the man-made Palm Island. So cool. Atlantis Hotel is like a pink castle. So grand.
Arabic coffee is different. Cardamom flavor. Interesting.
Souvenirs for family at home. So many memories.
Good trip?
The best. Goodbye, Dubai. I will come back again soon.
Dubai showed me the future. I will never forget. One last look. Thank you, beautiful Dubai. From the sky, I see the whole city. So beautiful. Dubai taught me, impossible is just a beginning.
Dubai is the most amazing city in the world. I got cat.
Next adventure. Tokyo, Japan. Stay with me.
Which Dubai wonder do YOU want to visit first?
Adventure is waiting. Next stop, the world. See you soon.